We live in a world where people skip ads in 5 seconds, skip videos in 10 seconds, and quit dreams in 30 days. Nobody wants to wait anymore. Everyone wants instant success, instant money, instant happiness, instant result. But life does not work like that because the strongest thing in the world are built slowly. And maybe that is why patience has become a lost art. Think about it. A seed disappears into darkness before becoming a tree. A diamond survives pressure before becoming valuable. And a person must survive struggle before becoming powerful. But today's generation has confused speed with success. People see someone becoming famous online overnight and forget the years of failure nobody saw. They see the victory but not the sacrifices, the applause but not the loneliness, the success but not the suffering behind it. And slowly, comparison destroys their patience. They start asking, why is my life taking so long? Why I am still struggling? Why I am not successful yet? But listen carefully. A delayed result does not mean a denied future. Some journeys simply takes longer because they are preparing you for something bigger. Fast success impress people. Slow success build character, and character is more important than attention. Look around carefully. Most people quit too early. They go to the gym for 1 month, then quit because the mirror did not change. They start a business and then quit after one failure. They upload videos consistently for 2 weeks and then stop because views are low. Everybody loves the idea of success, but very few people fail in love with the process. That's why patience is rare, because patience is painful. It forces you to keep moving even when results are invisible. And honestly, that invisible phase is the hardest part. The phase where nobody believes in you, nobody supports you, nobody notices your effort. Just you, your dreams, and silent battles. That phase break weak people. But strong people, they grow here. Your real growth begins when you continue without validation. And that is the true patience. Not sitting idle, not waiting laziness. Real patience means working hard without losing faith. It means waking up every day and giving effort even when life gives you no guarantee. And that takes emotional strength. Because anyone can stay motivated when things are working. But can you stay disciplined when nothing seems to change? That is a real test of character. Nature itself teaches patience. The sun rises slowly, the river reaches the ocean slowly, even season changes slowly. Everything meaningful follows a process. So why are you becoming frustrated with your own journey? Why are you expecting your life to transform overnight? A powerful mindset takes time. A strong body takes time. A successful career takes time. Healing takes time, growth takes time, and there is nothing wrong with that. The problem is social media has made people addicted to quick dopamine. People scroll for hours watching highlights of other people's lives and then starting hating their own progress. But remember this, never compare your behind the scene to someone else's highlight reel. You have no idea what people are hiding behind their success. And another dangerous thing about impatience is this. It makes people destroy long-term success for short-term comfort. People leave goal too early, leave relationship too early, leaving learning too early. Why? Because discomfort feels unbearable to them. But every successful person you admire learned how to suffer patiently. The athlete trained for years before winning. The businessman survived failures before succeeding. The creator kept posting when nobody cared. And that is what separates winners from quitters. Not talent, not luck, patience and patience. The person who survives the boring phase eventually reaches the beautiful phase. Never forget that. Maybe right now your life feels slow. Maybe you are working hard silently while nobody notices. Maybe you feel left behind, but trust me, some of the greatest transformation happens quietly. Not every season of life is meant for showing result. Some seasons are meant for building discipline, but wisdom building emotional strength. And one day, all those individual effort will speak loudly. One people will look at your success and say you got lucky, but they will never see the night you doubted yourself, the morning you forced yourself to continue, the years you stayed patient while everything felt uncertain. And maybe that's okay, because deep people understand something shallow people never will. Great things are never built instantly. So stop rushing your life. Your timeline is different, your struggle is different, your purpose is different. Take your time, learn slowly, grow quietly, and stay disciplined and consistent. Because patience is not weakness, patience is power. And in a world addicted to speed, the person who stays calm, keep working, and refuses to quit will eventually become unstoppable. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.